Dell here with a product, Twizzlers, and this is the, I call it the orange, the orange cream pop. There's an ice cream treat, call them orangecicles. Well, anyway, it's got that orange kind of popsicle thing on the outside and the ice cream on the inside. And so that's this flavor. And that's what it tastes like. Without looking at the particulars on the back of the package, I can tell you that there's no fat in this, and which is a good thing depending upon how you look at things. People that say stay on a no-fat diet, there is sugar in this, but no-fat diets, there's benefits to it. At any rate, if you just like this product like I do, I think it's just a terrific snack. And again, that's one of the big things. Like a lot of candy, there's sugar in it, but there's no fat. So just kind of accept it for granted that we ingest a lot of fat with our diets. Maybe some people might want to take a look and maybe view it from a different perspective. But I just love these things. Por ahora y tanto tiempo.